7 psychological tricks that will make you look and feel more confident. There are several ways to work on building confidence in the long run, such as knowing your values and practicing positive thinking. But sometimes we need to display confidence right in the moment. Here are some of my favorite psychological tricks to instantly look and feel more confident in front of other people. Hack 1. Reverse negative assumptions without realizing it. We often make assumptions about the skills we lack. Let's say you've always felt shy growing up, so speaking up in front of others now, as an adult, feels like something you'd be terrible at. Unfortunately, your boss has asked you to do a team presentation. Challenge the negative beliefs you have about yourself by reversing them. This can be as easy as saying to yourself, "Every day I'm an excellent public speaker, and people want to hear my ideas." Keep repeating it in your head or saying it out loud. You'll find yourself feeling less anxious and more prepared. Hack 2. Don't say "I think" or "I'm not sure." Swap out weak words and phrases for ones that will make you come across as more professional and capable. When talking to others, avoid starting or ending sentences with "I think" or "I'm not sure." Instead, use "I believe," which puts you in charge of the thought and conveys a calm surety. Other phrases like "in my opinion" also make you sound less confident. Just cut to the chase and remove the unnecessary intros. Hack 3. Wear something that makes you feel powerful. We have all that outfit, a dress, suit, pair of jeans, piece of jewelry that make us feel fabulous and powerful. Wear these things when you need a quick confidence boost or are having a dull day. Studies have shown that the clothes we wear can affect our cognitive processes. They can increase your performance and heighten other people's impressions of you. Hack for the triple threads. Most people form their first impression of someone within a few seconds, and often they won't change it. The secret to making a great first impression relies as much on body language as what we say. Use the triple threat below to keep your approach simple. 1. Use your hands and make them visible and welcoming. For evolutionary reasons, it can help build trust because people may associate hidden hands with hidden weapons. 2. Consider your posture. We are naturally drawn to be around confident people. Confident people tend to occupy a bigger physical space. Relax your posture and take more room. 3. Make eye contact. As the saying goes, eyes are the mirror to the soul. Maintaining warm and natural eye contact can build connections. It stimulates the human bonding hormone oxytocin production, helping to maintain positive feelings. Hack 5. Get off social media. It's so easy to waste time on social media and compare yourself to others. But remember, those posts or videos you see don't always reflect reality. Nobody's life is perfect. Confidence comes from believing in yourself, your own abilities, and where you are in your personal journey. Comparing yourself to people who only sharing the glamorous things in their lives makes it impossible to see your own achievements clearly. Hack 6. Don't say "I think" or "I'm not sure." Swap out weak words and phrases for ones that will make you come across as more professional and capable. When talking to others, avoid starting or ending sentences with "I think" or "I'm not sure." Instead, use "I believe," which puts you in charge of the thought and conveys a calm surety. Other phrases like "in my opinion" also make you sound less confident. Just cut to the chase and remove the unnecessary intros. Hack 7. Hack number 4. Thread theory. People want to relate to others. They may feel drawn to groups and individuals with similarities. It's called the similarities attraction effect. One effective way I connected with successful entrepreneurs was to look for shared values. Also, most of my close friends are people with similar interests. We connected because of our passion for a specific activity or topic. When you meet a new person, put your detective hat on and begin to build a clear picture of their values, beliefs, and interests. Follow threads of similarities and use conversation follow-ups starting with "me too" or "teach me." It shows your curiosity and interest.